Hello and welcome to the different. I'm Michael. So, AI jobs are becoming the talk of the town, and people are making really high amount of money from these jobs. In fact, some of them they don't even require you having skills. They just require you knowing how to use AI because you can perform them using AI. And today I'm going to share with you a new site. In fact, it is new. It is not crowded, few people, and it is paying up to 5,000 US dollars per task. And these tasks, you can do them using AI, like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, so many AI tools that you can use to perform these tasks. Yeah. And it pays really well. What you have just to do is to apply for the job. Once you get accepted, you perform, you do them. And it just requires you to have some skills. Some of the jobs requires you to have some skills. So you apply the one that fits you best, that you have skills on. So this site is called HumanPages.AI. HumanPages.AI. And this is how it looks. Okay. So here it says you get paid for what AI can't do. You get paid for what AI can't do. AI agents can't take a photo. That's true. Okay. Also, AI agent can't build a house. AI agents can't walk your dog. Wow. AI agent can't deliver a baby. So these are just talks and what this site is about. So let's not talk much about them. So in this site, okay, this is how it works. So first you have to create your profile, something that I will show you step by step. So what you have to do is just to stick with me to the end of this video so that I guide you step by step on how to go about this, and don't miss any part, because once you make a mistake, that's how you will miss jobs from this site. Okay. So it begins with how it works. Then you have to list your skills. So here how it works, they're just explaining on how this site works, on how you apply for the job, everything about this site. Then you have to list your skills. So this is what you can do, the skills that you have, you can list. Then you get matched. So here you get matched to people, all agents, all people, companies that are looking for people with the skills you have listed up there, and you'll get paid. And this is not all, because you can also still apply for jobs. Yeah, you can still apply for jobs, and you can see we have the featured people. These are those ones who have set their profile, and uh, they're here, they've listed their skills, and they're here featured with the skills they know. So you can see, like, we have this one here, Oswakwe Etinosa, from Nigeria. The skills is blogging and SEO optimization. We have here Patrick from Paris. Okay, mentoring and house sitting. We have like this guy here, Amy Destiny from London, Manchester, graphic design and web development. So you can also do the same. You come, you list your skills, and you wait for this site to get matched, to match you with the people who need experts or skills like the one you've listed there. So here we have over 111 skills listed from 81 countries, as you can see. So how do you apply for this job? You can see this job down here. We have job board. Okay, browse the job board. So we have this job. We have outdoor music festival coordinator. This job pays up to 5,000 USDC. Wow. Yeah, so this one is for those people who have skills, or they know things relating to event coordination, event management, and there are only 8 applicants. I'm saying this site is not crowded, so there are few people. So the earlier you join, the better. Also, we have here this one looking for financial analyst for Chinese French cross-border investment. So it requires people with with skills in financial analysis and also Chinese accounting. Okay, it pays up to $4,000. We have another one here, French business law expert for foreign investment analysis, which pays also 5,000 USDC. So you see the amount of money being paid here. Okay, they're paying really good, and here we have only 6 applicants. Okay, let's browse open listing, so we can browse here and see. Okay, before that, we'll have to put our skills category, work mode, main budget, blah blah blah. So when you go down here, you can see we have other jobs like the outdoor music coordinator, and how you can apply. You see, and it expires in 24 days 2 hours. We have the one we saw, the financial analyst for Chinese. When you scroll down there, we have the one for French business law expert for foreign investment and analysis. This one expires in 46 days 2 hours. Okay, and this is a remote job, so it means anyone can do it, provided you meet the requirement. When you scroll down here, we have product photographer needed in San Francisco. So this is specific. You're supposed to be on site from San Francisco, and it pays $150. Okay. Then here we have climate risk assessment for agricultural commodity futures in Southeast Asia. that one pays $500. So you can just come here and search or look for jobs that match you. Okay, in fact, some of them you will find that no one has applied for them. Like this one, you have some electronic investment research report, Korean market specialist. So here you're supposed to have skills in financial analysis and also in investment research, product review for wireless earbud, Korean and English bilingual. Those are the requirements. So you're supposed just to be good in research. And this one, you can apply it from wherever you are. Okay, AI YouTube video producer, trending AI development and series. Like this one, I think I fit because I'm familiar with this AI YouTube production and AI development. Okay, so this is like for me, I can apply construction manager. So there are thousands of jobs here. There are thousands of jobs here. Okay, and also you set your budget, work mode, category of work that you are capable of doing, your skills, blah blah blah. So before we go ahead, I think I have to guide you on how you can set up a profile. Then I will guide you on how to apply for these jobs. So we have to sign up. We need to sign up so that we can begin applying for these jobs. So we are going here to sign in, and there are multiple ways of signing in. You can either sign in or sign up with your Google. You can use LinkedIn, and I think LinkedIn is recommended because of professionalism. Huh? You know, those people who apply online jobs, they know the LinkedIn things. Okay, then or you can sign in with email if you don't have an account. So sign up. For me, I don't have an account. Just the same as you. If you don't have this, the procedure. This is the procedure you have to follow. But if you have, you just sign in. So for me, I'm going to sign up like this, and I will sign up with uh, my Google. So for me, I will sign up with Google. Okay, so you sign up with your email, then you click continue. Wow, so it will bring to this page where you have to accept terms and conditions before you continue. So I will agree. Yeah, that's what we do even if we haven't read the terms and conditions. Yeah, so continue signing up. Wow, perfect. So it will bring us to this page where we have to set our profile. So where it is saying stay connected. So the first thing, get notified instantly when agents want you. So you are going to you can either link your Telegram or your WhatsApp so that you get notified either through your WhatsApp or Telegram when there are new jobs that match your skill and your expertise. Okay, so you can come here, you will connect your Telegram like this. So it will take you to Telegram. Wow, then HumanPage.AI like that. Start. Your Telegram is now connected to your human page. You will receive notification here when agents send you jobs, blah, 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 blah. Thank you. So it is that simple. In fact, this simple is how you connect your Telegram. So we can go back to the site. So our Telegram is connected. See, immediately it will pop up like this. So you are connected to Telegram, you will receive instant notification for jobs. Then here I'm going to connect our WhatsApp. In fact, it senses as and knows where your account, like me, it already knows, yeah, that I'm from Kenya. So I just put my number like that. Then my SMS number is different from WhatsApp. No, I use the same number for SMS and WhatsApp. So like that, then click this orange button here. You are done. Then the next thing that you can do is to upload your CV. So the CV should showcase the skills you have, the expertise, and it should be convincing to employers or your clients that you best fit for the job. Again, the other thing, you'll have to list your skills or what you can do. Okay, you can list multiple skills. Okay, then after that, you will also have to put or to list the equipments and the tools you use. So they're saying agents match equipment to tasks. List anything you use for your services. So either use your phone, your PC, laptop, the sites that you use to perform the task, blah blah blah, so other. The next thing, you have to build trust. So I have to put your username like that. Then you can share. You can still share and get votes. Imagine. So like me, you can see there's already a profile link there that I can copy, and I also have to put username. So here, what it means that you can share. Yeah, you can ask colleagues who knows your work to vote you. Now, how do they vote you? It's like they're recommending you that you fit for the job. You are better if you've worked with them in the past. It is just a matter of recommendation. Yeah, just a matter of recommendation. Then, where are you? here you have to put your location and the time zone and the language that you speak, but the language is optional. So you can decide to put your location or to show where you're coming from, or also there's an option for remote, you see. So remote, it means you will they will recommend to you remote jobs. You're not supposed to be on site. The next thing is experience and education. So here you will share your educational background and credentials if available. So years of professional experience, jobs completed as a freelance, so you list them here, and also can talk about education, but that's optional. The next thing also you can talk about is how to get paid. So how would you like to get paid or to receive your money? So here you can connect either your wallets, okay, your crypto wallets, because they pay in crypto, or you can connect your PayPal, among different ways of payment or methods of payment, okay. Yeah, so the one that you think fits you, that's what you connect. But for me, I would recommend you connect uh, your wallets, because this site you earn in USDC, so you'll be receiving the payment in your wallet, okay. Wow. So they're saying you can set up PayPal, Wise, or bank transfer. So there's PayPal here, among so other. So the last thing is your services. Add the services that you offer. So here you talk about what you offer, then your profile. So here you have to put your profile photo, your name, and a short bio, a short description about you, what you can do, who are you, why should you be hired, such thing, okay. Then availability and capacity. So you have to talk about your flexibility, when you are available for the jobs, yeah, the time that you give in for either for a week, okay. So either flexible hours vary per task, 5 hours per week, 10 hours per week, 20, blah blah blah. And how available are you doing digital remote job, physical in person, that means on site work, or both, what you can offer. Then lastly is you have to verify your identity, okay. So here you have to connect your email, you can connect your LinkedIn or your GitHub if you have it. Then platform presence, you can put your whatever platform if you use, but that's optional. So that's it, and that's simple. Then after that, you will be ready to apply and get the jobs, okay. So this site is new, and the earlier you join and register for an account, so that you'll be among the first people to get the job, the better, okay. So you can join and sign up for an account. There's a link in my video description, so you can use that. There's a link in my video description for you to join and sign up for an account here. Then you can join my Telegram channel and be updated of different tools and sites that you can make money from them. Thank you for watching and have a nice time. Let's meet in the next video, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.